Okay, then we will not come back to that, but we will have some part of the packaging here. Yeah. Yes. You show that? Yeah. Maybe some audiences new here who want to see our environment, our production environment, and also you can show our audience. It's for packing to protect our box. Protect our box. Yeah, this will. Yeah, we are all automatic system. Yeah. So our efficiency and the production capacity is high. Yes. You know how many pieces for one day the most we can produce?
Yes, our capacity is 1 million pieces a day.
Yes, 1 million. You can see with our production capacity is 1 million pieces for the facial mask one day. So you don't need to worry about our production capacity. Also, our delivery date is very fast. Yes, normally we take 20 to 25 days to finish our production. Yes. Yeah. And we will put it in the package, and then when it is here, yes, we will maybe take some pieces for quality test first, and then make sure every product is reach the standard, and then we put it in the warehouse and ready to ship. Yes, all the procedure is like this. So maybe this is your first time for the live stream. How do you think about the live stream? Is it interesting? Yes. Maybe next time you will do better, right? Yes, we will hope our Abby will be better and better. Okay. Yes. So time to say goodbye now. Every customer, no matter new here or old here, and if you have interest in our product, you can see the product link below, and then say inquiry to us, okay? And also, if you have time, use your finger to give us a like and follow our page, okay? So time to say goodbye, so say goodbye to our client, okay? So see you, bye, see you next time.